Hi again. Today we're going to make salted eggs. And this salted eggs recipe has been with us for many years, and my mom used to make this very simple recipe, and it has only 2 ingredients. I'm Loretta Lee of Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. So don't forget to subscribe and like my videos if you find it useful. When you're doing your salted egg, sometimes you'll be wondering, ooh, why does my salted egg turn out this way? Why does it look so funny? Why are the yolks, look so different? What's wrong with my method? And all those stuff. But rest assured, I have some explanation for you. So let's go and see how to make these easy peasy salted eggs using 2 ingredients only. Of course, I don't count water. All right, just eggs and salt. Let's go. First, we'll put in the eggs into the container where we want to pickle them or we want to salt them, so that we know how much water to use for the saturated salt solution. Add some water. Then we take out the eggs. We measure the water. So it's about 1 liter of water. So we add about 1 liter of water. Add in 300 grams of coarse raw salt, not table salt, and stir until it cannot dissolve anymore. And then leave it to cool, preferably overnight. We'll pour the saturated solution. And we put in the eggs. Ooh, it's floating. Let it spread over. Okay. And we leave it for initially about 3 weeks. Rotate the eggs by removing them in an orderly manner, arranging it in a clockwise position. Then place the ones at the top to the bottom of the container. This will ensure that all the eggs have a chance to be properly immersed in the solution. Close it. I made a batch of duck eggs too, free range. Just lightly cover it. At 21 days, I boiled and tested an egg. The egg is not ready as the center of the yolk is very white and it doesn't taste salty enough. So we shall cut this. Part of the yolk is okay, but part of the yolk is very white. The outer egg yolks looks okay. The center is a bit pale, but the taste is okay, it's salty enough. On day 39, I tried many eggs and was disappointed. The yolk is not very nice. I think the yolk, there's something wrong with the yolk. Some of them are ready and some of them are not ready. Another disappointment. Yeah, there's something wrong with the egg yolks. Then my daughter cut one, bad cutting, but it turned out to be perfect. Hooray! There are hardly any pale bits in the yolk, and the yolk is oily too. At 40 days, the yolk looks nicely colored, but with some white bits. The yolk is oozing with oil, so that means the egg is ready. Now let's try the duck eggs. The problem with the duck eggs is that the egg yolks are not very red. It's very yellowish and pale. Let's see how it goes. Ooh, it looks okay. It looks nice. Nice enough. Yeah, let's try another one. Oh yeah, this is okay. This is alright, but I think it can still go for a few more days because I don't see those oily oil coming out, the red oil coming out. Yeah, this should be alright. Let's check out the uncooked egg yolks. See, the egg yolk is in a sack and the duck egg yolk is perfect, not broken. And I'll put it in here. Chicken eggs is nicer because the duck eggs, when I first bought and I test, it was very yellow, but this is okay. Yeah. Dish.
Perfect!
Stuck together, but we can. Ooh,
This chicken egg yolk is slightly broken but still in the sack, but it will not be nice or round when it's cooked.
Ooh, this is nice. This is very, very, very red. Yeah, this is a chicken egg.
I bought some uncooked salted duck eggs for comparison.
Duck salted egg. I do not know why it's stuck. Very nice. Very nice yolk. My salted duck egg. So it's a bit yellowish because the egg yolks were yellow when I bought it.
Look at the egg yolks. It is broken in the sack. And this is the reason why the egg yolks looks funny when we tested it earlier.
Egg yolk has broken. That's why when we see it, when we cook it, it doesn't look nice. Yeah.
The egg on the right is homemade. The shop-bought one has problem with the egg yolk too. The chicken egg yolks have a nicer, deeper color compared to the duck egg yolks. And the yolk have bits of pale color in them. This is normal. It is the nature of the eggs.
I'm going to add this to my rice, the one that we made. Here we are, egg yolk and my rice. It is salty now, and I'm having it with some salad. That's good. Wow, phew, that was quite a journey and quite a lot of twists and turns in coming up with the recipe. So I hope you enjoy watching me making these salted eggs. It's very easy, so don't get flustered if you have results that's not so nice or what you expect to be perfect, because salted eggs are not perfect. Eggs are not perfect. All the duck eggs or the chicken eggs you bought are not laid by one hen alone, so there's a variety of eggs around. So sometimes you will see variation, so that's okay. Rest assured, it's okay. Calm down, no panic. So I hope you enjoy watching this video and that you will understand why sometimes you don't get good results, but that's okay. That's part of life, and we learn and we move along. So until the next time, until the next video, I'm Laura Tali, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. I'm not sharing with you my food perfection. So please give a like and subscribe and share if you find my videos useful. So until the next time, thank you for your time. Thank you very much and bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.